Today we will understand how total knee replacement surgery is performed. First of all, the patient undergoes a complete checkup. This includes blood tests, x-rays, and other necessary health tests so that the doctor can confirm whether the patient is fit for the surgery. After that, on the day of the operation, the patient is taken to the operation theatre and anesthesia is given. This prevents the patient from feeling pain during the surgery. Then the surgeon makes an incision in front of the knee. After this, the damaged and worn out parts inside the knee joint are carefully removed. The joint surfaces of the femur, which is the upper thigh bone, and the tibia, which is the lower leg bone, are shaped with the help of machines and special instruments so that the new implant can fit properly. After that, the surgeon fixes the metal components onto the bones, and a special plastic spacer is placed between them. This spacer helps in smooth movement like natural cartilage. If required, the surface of the kneecap can also be replaced or treated. After checking the movement and stability of the implant, the surgeon closes the incision with stitches.